National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Macoupin County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois.
It's for Macoupin.
At 12:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near
Fuck.
Size hail.
There we go.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shipman, Kemper, Kane, Medora, Royal Lakes, Chesterfield, Rockbridge, Fidelity, and Plainview. This also includes Beaver Dam State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National